Hi, and thank you for your question. So we're looking at question 77 at the end of the Unit 6 chapter. And the question is, according to the American Dental Association, an adult female should consume 3.0 milligrams of fluorine a day. Calculate the amount of sodium fluoride that a woman should consume to get the recommended amount of fluorine. So what they're saying is the sodium fluoride has fluorine in it. Actually 45.24% of sodium fluoride is fluorine. If a woman needs 3.0 milligrams of fluorine a day, how many grams of sodium fluoride would she need to consume in order to get those 3.0 milligrams of fluorine? So the solution map to this is, we know our grams of fluorine and we need to convert it to grams of sodium fluoride. We're given a mass of 3.0 milligrams of fluorine, which we will have to change to grams of fluorine because we always deal in grams. And we're also given 45.24% F fluorine in sodium fluoride. And that's the same as saying 45.24 grams of fluorine in 100 grams of sodium fluoride. So that is a conversion factor that we are going to use when we do our conversion up here. But before we can do that, we have to change milligrams to grams. So if we have 3.0 milligrams of fluorine and we want to change that into grams of fluorine, we're going to multiply excuse me, by the conversion factor of oops, sorry, that was milligrams. We're going to put milligrams on the bottom, grams on the top. The grams are what we're looking for, so the milligrams will cancel out. And we know that there are, not 1,000 grams. We know there's 1,000 milligrams in 1,000 milligrams in 1 gram. So we're going to multiply 3 by 1, gives us 3. Divided by 1,000, we get 0.003. And it's this conversion here that we are going to use instead of milligrams, because we always want to do this in grams. Now the answer at the end, we will have to switch back to milligrams, but we will do that in a moment. So finally, we need to do this conversion. So we are given 0.003 grams of fluorine, and we want to figure out how many grams of sodium fluoride that's going to be. So we're going to multiply it by this conversion factor here, which is that we have 45.24 grams of fluorine in 100 grams of sodium fluoride. We have to flip this over though, because we want to cancel out our fluoride or fluorine. So we're going to put the 45.24 on the bottom in order to cancel out the fluorine, and we're going to leave the grams of sodium fluoride on top because we need to keep the unit of sodium fluoride in our answer. Then we go ahead and we do the math. 0.003 times 100 is equal to 0.3 over 45.24, and that equals 0.00, when you divide it, 663 grams. Excuse me. Sorry about that. I'm still fighting this cold that I've had since January. And then lastly, what we need to do is convert from grams to micrograms. So if you have 0.00663 grams and we need it into micrograms, we're going to multiply by, sorry, not micrograms, milligrams over grams, and we know there's 1,000 milligrams in 1 gram. The the grams cancel out, and then 0.00663 times 1,000 is the same as moving the decimal over 3 places, so we get 6.63 milligrams of sodium fluoride is needed in order to get 3 milligrams of fluoride. So that's how you set up that problem. On a good note, you're only multiplying by one conversion factor. And to get that conversion factor, you need to know how to convert a percentage of the constituent element into this conversion factor. So I hope this helps clarify how to set up a problem like this. If you have another example that you would like me to do, please let me know. Bye for now.